What's going on, everyone? I wanted to bring to your attention, we're going to be doing a live stream tonight. So if that's something you want to participate in, join us tonight on this channel at 7:30 Central Standard Time. Central Standard Time, or Central Daylight Time, whatever they call it. 7:30 p.m. Oklahoma time, we're going to be doing a live stream. So I invite all of you to join me, and we can just talk about pretty much anything you want to talk about. The Mercedes is back up for sale on eBay. There's quite a few people that have been having a really good time bidding it up, you know, playing with my money, whatever. Is it frustrating and aggravating? Of course it is, but at the end of the day, I have almost 1,000 positive feedback on eBay, so I have what they call concierge service. I just call them up, or I can have them call me, and they handle everything for me. They take care of the people that are causing me problems, and hey, if some of you guys out there got nothing better to do than wreck your eBay account and getting non-payment strikes and all of that stuff, then hey, go for it, because at the end of the day, the car is going to sell to somebody eventually. So this beast is back on eBay. This time, I'm just selling it, man. I've got it at like, I think it's at 3,500 bucks, all right? Take it. It runs, it drives. In fact, I just drove it all the way to the bar the other night on the highway, 70 miles an hour, drove it back. It's still a great running, driving car. Someone's just going to have to either do some work on the ABC system or switch it over to some coilovers and never worry about the ABC system again. Either way, I'm done. So this thing is going to go for around 3,500 bucks. And if nobody buys it on eBay, I've got a local buyer that's offered me, sad as it is, $3,000. But at this point, I'm ready to just move on, man. I'm ready to be done with the car payment on it and the insurance on it. So we're getting rid of this at some point. So this is your last shot. If you were serious about bidding or buying on this car, there's no bids anymore. Buy it now, take it, and enjoy it. If not, in the next few days or so, I'm just going to sell it locally. Also, something that might be worth mentioning is the Mercury Sable sold. Yes, Weird Beard. His name is Mike, and his beard's not weird, but Weird Beard Auto Sales, also known as Mike, sold the Sable. We're going to talk about that in the live stream later, and I will tell you how much the Sable brought. For so many of you went ahead and commented about how that car wasn't going to bring any money and there was no profit margin there. So stay tuned for that tonight. We're going to talk about that. And last but not least, as far as cars go, we're going to talk about the Sunfire. Seems like the majority of you want to see me put an engine in the Sunfire. I'll be the first to tell you, I don't want to put an engine in that car. We're going to talk about the Sunfire, the flood car, later on this evening. But before you go, check out this awesome shirt. I got a little gut going on here. Don't pay any attention to that. But look, man, these shirts I think are pretty decent. I like them. Anyway, I wear them because, you know, instead of, I know I wear Nike, but if you notice, this Nike symbol also says Auto Auction Rebuilds on it. Look, for me, I would rather promote my brand than promote somebody else's. So a lot of times you guys will see me out there. It's not that I only have one shirt. I've got a bunch of these shirts. I bought my own shirts so that I could advertise my own brand, man. And here's what the back looks like. Don't look at my my sexy ass there. Hey, these shirts are about as cheap as I can put them on there through Teespring or whatever. And still, I think I make like $1.50 or $2 a shirt, something like that. It's not much, but it helps support the channel. So if you want one of these shirts, go over there and grab them. I got coffee mugs, some other stuff too. Had a lot of you ask about the hats. I can't do the hats. And let me tell you why. These hats, this hat right here, and you're going to think I'm insane, this hat cost me $75. Yeah, because I wanted the Nike logo. It cost me $75 for one hat. Nobody in their right mind is going to pay $75 for a hat other than me. So check it out at the end of the video, please. Please help support the channel by getting yourself a shirt or two or whatever. And with that, I'm going to get out of here. Can't wait to see you guys tonight, 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Let's talk about some of the stuff going on. I'll see you then.